Hello friends, in today's lesson I will show you how to add HyperV or hypervisor in a Windows Server. So what is HyperV or hypervisor? Generally we know that when we're using HyperV it's like a virtual machines. So when we add the service in our Windows Server, the HyperV, we can create multiple virtual machines. Okay, now let's go how we can do it. So first you have to go to server manager and then you go to manage and then you go to add role and features. Then you click next, next, next. Here you have to find the service Hyper-V. Okay, so here you can see its descriptions. So for my learning, before you install the service, I recommend you to understand the description here. Because you can see they said Hyper-V provides the services that you can use to create and manage virtual machines and their resources. Each virtual machine is a virtualized computer system that operates in an isolated execution environment. This allows you to run multi-operating systems simultaneously. So, in all, we can create multi-virtualization machine and make it work together. Okay, so now click on Hyper-V and then you add features. Okay, and then you click next. Okay, so you click next, or you can also add the service here. Okay, so I add one more service here. Next, next. Okay, next. Okay, and then here allow the server to send and receive line migration. So you can teach or not, no problems. Okay, next, next, install. Okay. So now the hypervisor Hyper-V is installation. It's not take time everyone. So let it finish. So this Hyper-V you can add it or install it on your Windows server. It is a free service from Microsoft Windows. For example, you can use this virtual machine or this Hyper-V to install like Windows, another Windows server, or you can create another Windows 10 or Windows 11. So you can create or install a lot of virtualizations. Okay, now let it finish its installation. So during installation, I also tell you another thing. If you want like to install your file server in Hyper-V or virtual machine, it is also okay. It doesn't have any problem. Or you can install your actual server in the hypervisor or in the Hyper-V, so that is also fine. Yes, so now our service has been successfully installed, so you can close. Okay, so when you use Windows Server or Server Administrator, after we add any service, they will ask us to restart so that our service will be work properly. So you can see here, feature installation restart is pending. Okay, restart is pending. Okay, so you can restart it. So you need to restart your server. Okay, now I turn it off and I restart my server. So everyone, my server is restart. That is my physical server. So when I restart, it is disconnected. So when my physical server is back, I can remote and check whether my Hyper-V service or role has been installed or not. So you see, now it's still pending. I also ping to my server address, my server, the remote. This is my server, I can remote it. Okay, so it's not coming. You can see it's not coming. Still timeout. If this ping is work, we can remote. Okay, now it's come back. So I can remote. So in this one, you no need to care one because this one I install it on the physical machine. Okay. Oh, okay. Oh, oh, wrong password. Okay. IT administrator. Maybe. Oh, it timed out. So that's why it's not work. Okay, again. I connect. It's one my Tech IT. Tech IT the domain. Okay, slash IT administrator. Okay, Tech IT. Then I input my server password. Okay, now it's connected. So let's say this one is our server A1, our server that we add the Hyper-V. Okay, now our after you restart, you will see the Hyper-V is installed on your PC. Okay, now let's check together. Okay. Okay, so now we are going to check the Hyper-V. Okay, everyone here. Here is our Hyper-V. Or you can also see here Hyper-V. So in this Hyper-V, you also create the virtual machine. You can create your virtual machine over here as well, or you can connect. Okay, okay, Hyper-V. Okay, so that's all for today's lesson, everyone. In the next lesson, I will teach you how to add your window into the Hyper-V.